I'm Suki. You're watching Suki's Snack Shack. And y'all, did you know that they have fresh hand-dipped corn dogs at Disney World now? Pretty exciting stuff. I had one last year when I went to Disneyland, and it was revolutionary. It rocked my world. I had it 2 days in a row. I was obsessed. I would have continued eating those corn dogs until the day I died. But now they don't just have corn dogs here. Oh no. It is a jumbo corn dog. That is so good. But you know what would go really good with it? Some pink lemonade. And I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, Suki, why would you need a bag for just one lemonade? Stay tuned. Let's give this lemonade a try. Oh, that's nice. That's so sweet and delicious, but we know the real star here. Would you like your bite? Oh, the wind. Oh, the wind. We're doing this kind of fast because it's starting to get a little wet out. And my camera was too expensive to ruin this. So, the corn dog, divine, wonderful, fantastic, amazing. But you can get that anywhere. You can get a delicious corn dog anywhere. What you can't get is a mozzarella stick that is so big. Each one comes with chips, and they're just Lay's chips. This is okay. That is greasy, though. We'll take a bite of the Lay's just for fun. We got the standard crispy Lay's. Wasn't fast enough. It's starting to rain now. Our operations are not done. We need... There. All better. In Florida, you have to be resourceful. Oh, now this is like super ASMR because it's got the rain noise. Yes. Okay. Okay. One more bite of the corn dog, or the mozzarella stick. But since I was getting 2 meals, I also got 2 drinks. Because they also had regular lemonade. And I would simply perish.
It's weird.
Okay, you ready for this? Ooh. That's good lemonade. Okay. Do we want to dunk the cheese stick and the mozzarella, or do we just want to call it here? Rain stopped. See, that's what Florida's like. Sometimes it just does a little rain. Okay. And day after day, I find myself back at the hot dogs. Oh, this is gonna be a staple. This is what's gonna sell me an annual pass. Like, I've been really good about not buying another annual pass. But damn, these corn dogs are good. Well, my favorite is easily the corn dog. The corn dog is amazing. The corn dog is sublime. It's delicious. Second favorite were actually both lemonades. They were both very solid choices. I was worried because I was like, lemonade can taste really gross and cheap. It can taste watery. But they were touting it as being fresh squeezed. And then finally we've got our mozzarella stick, which I can feel the heart attack coming. But it's so good. And so very cheesy. Well, oh, one more potato chip for the road, and then I'll let you go. Big chippy. Big crunch. Well, I've been Suki. Thanks for snacking with me. I'll see you next time. Bye.